Good day children, in chapter 5, numbers up to 1000, we are going to see comparing numbers. Yes, we have already seen this in chapter 1. We are going to see for numbers from 201 to 1000 for bigger numbers, okay. So, but the same concept. So just if you want, you can see those videos also. So it'll be easy for you. Okay, I'll just recap the rules that you have to follow to compare the numbers. Rule 1, compare the number of digits. How many digits are there? The more number of digits, the number's value is more. So the number is bigger. After that, if both the number of digits are same, you compare the hundreds digit. You compare the hundreds digit. If the hundreds, the digit in the hundreds place is same, then you compare the tens digit, the number in the tens digit. If that number is also same, okay, then you compare the ones digit. You compare the ones digit. Okay, you have only 4 rules. Number of digits you will compare. If that is same, then you compare the hundreds digit. If that is also same, you compare the tens digit. That is also same, you compare the ones digit. We'll do few sums so that you will be clear with the concept. Okay, exercise 7. First we'll see circle the greater number. Take these two numbers 392 and 382, which is first we have to compare the number of digits. Both have 3 digits. So we'll move to the next rule, comparing the number in the hundreds place. Both are same. So now you have to compare the number in the tens place. 9 and 8. Which is bigger? 9 is bigger. So number 392 is greater. Is greater than 382. Okay. Okay, now second example, 86, 860. See, here only 2 digits are here, but here 3 digits are here. So, obviously, this is bigger than this. The value is greater. Because there is no hundreds, it has 8 hundreds. So, 860 is greater than 86. Okay. Now, 283 and 483. Number of digits are same. So we'll move to second rule. Compare the hundreds digit. Here 4, here 2. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So this digit 483, this number is greater than 283. Okay. Now we'll circle the smaller number. Okay. 464, 462. Rule 1. Number of digits same, 3 digits. Compare the hundreds digit, 4, 4, same. So, rule 3, compare the tens digit, 6, 6, same. Now, compare the ones digit, 2, 4. Which is smaller? 2 is smaller, okay. So, this number 462 is smaller than 464. Okay, second example, 999. See, the first rule is the number of digits. Only 1 digit, here 3 digits. Here only 9 ones, but here 900, 9 tens and 9 ones. So, this is bigger. So, 9 is the smaller number. Now, 875 and 865. Rule 1, number of digits, same. Digit in the hundreds place, same, 88. Now, digit in the tens place, 6, 7. Which is smaller? 6. So, number 865 is smaller than 875. Okay, now we'll do third sum. Just going to put the symbol, put the correct sign, greater than, less than or equal to. Okay. The same concept only, okay. You're going to compare the same way, but you're going to use the sign here, symbol. Okay. 490, 591. Number of digits, same. Now compare the hundreds digit, 5, 4. So, 5 is greater. So, put this symbol. The crocodile mouth will open to the greatest number. Okay, the second example, 653, 653. You can see same number of digits, hundreds place also same number, tens place also same number, ones place also same number. Then these two numbers are same. So you put equal to sign. Okay, when both the numbers are same, you put equal to sign. Okay, third example, 699, 70. You can see number of digits. This is 2 digits, this is 3 digits. So this is greater and this is smaller. Yes, understood children? Now we'll see how to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Right, in ascending order, we'll take 4 numbers. 597, 277, 975, 270. First, compare the number of digits. All the 4 numbers have 3 digits. So we move to rule 2. Compare the number in the hundreds place. 2, 9, 2, 5. As you can see, as we are going to arrange in ascending order, that is small to big, 2 is smaller. But there are 2, okay? In 2 numbers have 2 in hundreds place. So what we'll do, for these 2 numbers alone, we'll compare the tens place. 7, 7, that is also same. So we'll compare the ones place. 7, 0. Which is smaller? Obviously 0 is smaller. So we write this first and we write this second. 270, 277. Okay, I'll just cross the numbers we have already done. Okay, now we just have to compare these 2 numbers. Yes, number of digits same, so compare the hundreds place. 9, 5. Which is smaller? 5. So 597 will come next. Cross it out. So only this is remaining, so just bring it down. 975. So we have arranged the numbers in ascending order, small to big. 270, 277, 597, 975. Okay, we'll just write in descending order now. Okay, what is descending order? Yes, is arranging numbers from big to small. Okay, but we are following the same rule. Okay, but we'll write the bigger number first. In ascending order, we'll write the smaller number first. In descending order, we'll write the bigger number first. Okay, we are taking 4 numbers. Number of digits same. Number of digits same. So the number of digits are same, so we'll check the digits in the hundreds place. 3, 1, 1, 2. Which is bigger? 3. So we'll write that number down. 348. I'll cross it. Compare these 3 numbers. 1, 1, 2. So 285 is bigger. So cross this out. Only 2 numbers to check now. Both have 1 in hundreds place. So we have to check the numbers in the tens place. 3 here and 1 here. So which is bigger? 3. So we write 136 first. Cross it out. Then only this number is there, so just bring it down. 114. So we have written the number from big to small, that is descending order. 348, 285, 136 and 114. So this is how we arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. But the basic concept is you should know to compare the numbers. Comparing numbers is a basic concept which will apply when you are going to find out the greater number, smaller number, or putting the correct sign, or arranging numbers in ascending and descending orders. Okay children, I think you're clear. Thank you children.